Hello everybody, this is me, GamerZ, and this is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to be opening one mystery pack, and let's go check out what we get. So we got 16,800 gold, 2,500 food, 7,700 experience, which is pretty much nothing, and that thing. Unfortunately, I do not want to try another packet as now, but sooner or later I will collect my tickets to get one of you beast looking dragons that look so very cool. So for all you beginners, I'm actually gonna show you how to breathe, whatever, it doesn't really matter. It's pretty straightforward, but I'm gonna be showing you how to breed or what two dragons to combine to get. Keep going here. Let me find them for you. Did I already miss the weaklings? Whoopsies. Wrong category, guys. This is where I want to come to. So, these are pretty straightforward, but they're kind of hard to get as well. So, what I'm gonna be showing you is how to get, like, pretty much 75% chances of, how to get I forgot the dragon's name, but whatever. How to get Blizzard Dragon, yeah, so it's right there. Can't really show you, unless I go like this, yeah, Blizzard Dragon. So, you can buy it for 65 gems, or you can just breed, Sea Dragon with Fire Dragon. I think that's what it's called. It's called Fire Dragon? It's called Fire Dragon. Better be. Flame Dragon, whatever, doesn't really matter. My names are pretty much horrible. I already have this dragon, Dragon. So, the reason why I want you to get Blizzard Dragon is because it's gonna help you out so much in battle stages and the places where you're gonna have to fight. You have no idea. Mine unfortunately is very weak right now, so let's go to combat and martial arts cup. We're versing these weaklings. The thing is, most of my dragons are like too goddamn strong, you know. So yeah, did I see it? Quite sure I saw my Blizzard Dragon. I'll put that up first. I'll put Kiko, and I'll put in, just put him in. So, go to battle. So, not sure what its weakness is, but I'm quite sure probably using fire. So I'm gonna use a water type attack. Clearly knocks him out. Now he has a Mercury Dragon. Not sure what its weakness is. Definitely not gonna be fire. Definitely not gonna be water. But I just went for water. So I'm like, why not? This guy, he's pretty he has a little bit more health than, you know, those normal not hybrid dragons, because it's a hybrid. So that's why I'm recommending it for you beginners, like pretty weak level, like 10 to 15 or 4 to 15 or whatever level you can get the sea dragon or water dragon at. I'm gonna go flaming arrows. This one, this dragon uses both fire type attacks and water type attacks. That's good about it. So yeah, gonna have to wait 24 seconds for the next combat. So you can definitely win a lot of crazy looking dragons, even though I have some of these. Twin Tournament, Planetary, Genius, Asgard. So yeah, make sure you guys comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Right after I click my app.